हम जा रहे हैं जी श्वेता के कैफ़े में और वहाँ पे पियेंगे कॉफ़ी और फिर उसके बाद आगे का प्रोग्राम। और आज एक मेरा लेक्चर है, मतलब एक संस्थान में एक अलग से एक लेक्चर है शाम के टाइम 6 बजे, 6:30 बजे। तो वहाँ पे भी मुझे आमंत्रित किया गया है जी। तो इस बार मैं थोड़ा सा स्पेशल फील कर रहा हूँ सच में, इलिया भाई की वजह से, और सच में बड़ा मज़ा आएगा। तो चलिए जी, सबसे पहले पीते हैं कॉफ़ी। ये जी मेरी फेवरेट कॉफ़ी, वाह। और ख़ास करके जब ठंड होती है बाहर, आज बाहर धूप लगी हुई है लेकिन टेम्परेचर बेहद कम है, और ऐसे में गरम गरम कॉफ़ी आपके सामने हो तो क्या ही मज़ा आता है। तो फ़िलहाल अभी पियेंगे जी कॉफ़ी। ये मेरी कैपेचिनो है और इलिया भाई पीते हैं जी एस्प्रेसो।
बिस्कुट खाओगे?
हाँ बिल्कुल खाएंगे।
Будет такая экскурсия?
Ну все,
отлично, давай.
сейчас лепешка подогреется.
Хорошо.
क्या बात है। जैम है ना इसमें? वाह।
А мы уже только 11:30 приехали.
Так, уже кусочек оторвалась.
अरे ये कहाँ से आ गया?
Где?
ये कहाँ से आ गया?
Не, мы а गया.
А вы мне скажите, что вы там с Рерихом-то делали? Это где было?
Это было в нашем институте.
Yeah. And our guest from India, have a seat. Have a seat.
Thank you so
again.
much.
And our students.
इनके स्टूडेंट्स हैं। ठीक है।
The idea is that we are really happy to see you.
Oh, thank you
in
so
our
much.
country, in our city.
Thank you so much.
And let's organize just a kind of talk between us.
Yeah, sure.
And I'm really happy that my students will listen to you, because they're always listening to me, you see.
I
And
understand.
I'll ask you just for some time to be just not a teacher, but to have a talk, and they will listen to just a person like native speakers, not Yelena, okay?
Yeah, sure.
So perhaps we'll drink tea,
Yeah, thank you.
taste yourself, and perhaps you will tell something about you.
Thank you so much for hosting me here. My name is Rajesh Mehta and I'm from India. I'm a travel vlogger. Just before Russia, I was in Azerbaijan. Ilya, my friend, he just contacted me and he wanted me to be here. So I really enjoyed. This is my fourth, you can say, trip to Russia. In 2019, I started my international trip first time, and my first country was Russia. So I have some friends in Russia. So I was in Belgorod in 2019. Then in 2021, Ilya contacted me through internet, and he invited me to Voronezh, and it was my pleasure to be here. Usually I keep traveling in different countries. Like I was in Central Asia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan. Then I came to Kazan. Then I went to St. Petersburg. From St. Petersburg, I went to Belgorod, then to Voronezh, to him. And from Voronezh, then I went back to India.
Oh, your first time?
No, this is my fourth time. This is my fourth time. Yeah.
It's first time him in Voronezh.
No, not fourth. Fourth time. Fourth.
Do you live in Voronezh?
Yes, I live here. I stay here.
Okay.
He has been to India. Sorry, may I know your name, please?
My name is Kate.
Kate?
Yes,
And you?
nice to meet
My
you.
name is Stas. Stas.
Stas. And
My name is Sasha.
Sasha.
Arina.
Arina. Oh.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, it's my pleasure, and nice to meet you all too. So, if you have any question, you can ask me anything you want to ask.
Could you tell us something about your country?
From my country.
Yes.
India is, usually we say in India, it's not just a country, it's another world. Like in Russia, Russia is a big country, but you have the same language all over Russia. I saw it. And the culture in Russia, obviously, you have also different oblasts, different regions. In India, the culture is different in every 50 kilometers. In every 50 kilometers, the language and the culture changes. India is not same everywhere. We have 28 states, like you have oblast in Russia, different oblast and krais. We have different states, 28 states, but all the states are different. We have different languages in all the states. Even sometimes you can say within a state there are so many languages. Just 50 kilometers from my home, there is another district, we call it Kinnor. We cannot understand them, they cannot understand us, so we have a common language, that is Hindi. So whenever we communicate, we have to use Hindi. So, but we don't understand their language, and neither they understand ours. So you can say within 50 kilometers, the language changes in India.
There are 23 official languages in India, and the federal languages are Hindi and English, both. Both are union languages.
We usually speak Hindi in North India, in the West, and in some parts of Eastern India. But in the South India, they have their own languages. But hello. If we have to communicate with the South Indian, so we use the English language. Even they don't know Hindi.
Which city do you live?
I live in Delhi.
Delhi?
It's the capital of India. But I belong to a mountain state called Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. It's in North India.
The state where Nikolai Rerich lived.
Yes.
I'm recently have been in the St. Petersburg. What sides do you like there
In St. Petersburg,
in St. Petersburg?
I went to, it was a jail somewhere around a river. क्या नाम था?
Niva.
River. It was a fort near a river that was very beautiful, and I saw a church. It was same as the church in Moscow also. It looks like both. I don't know the name actually. I don't remember the name.
Isaki.
Isaki.
St. Isaki capital.
So it looks like the church in Moscow. The same.
Would you like some tea?
Yeah, sure. I would like to try Russian tea. Is this a Russian
No,
tea?
I don't. I don't like. I think so.
India.
India. Yeah.
India is
Assam
famous
tea.
for chai. India is famous for chai. In my state also, there is a place, there is a district where we also grow tea. पालमपुर में बहुत
हाँ पलमपुर का अच्छा पलमपुर की चाय
चाय
हाँ पलमपुर की चाय तो मुझे पता है
बहुत famous है. So can I ask you all one question? Please tell me something about India that you know.
Да, сейчас
I have two
Film
friends from India, but I don't know where they live. But this friend very good speak English.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Where did you meet them?
I don't know.
Где ты его встретила?
Приложение.
Сайт.
in app
In the
internet.
Okay.
I remember film about Zita and Gita.
Sita and Geeta. Yes, I know. And do you like see Indian movies, Bollywood movies? Because Bollywood movies were very famous in like Russia or in Soviet Union when it was actually just before. Like older people used to see Bollywood movies. So have you ever seen like Bollywood movies?
My mother and my grandmother
Mhm.
likes Bollywood movie.
Bollywood movie?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So, anything else you just know about India? Anything else?
I read about some celebrations in India, but I actually don't remember how's this celebration calls.
Okay, what is that celebration all about?
It's the festival for color.
Colors?
Holi.
For colors?
Holi hogi.
Holi? That's a Holi festival. In India, we have so many festivals. I don't know about Russia, but in India, every month you have 2 or 3 leaves in schools, in offices. You have to enjoy these festivals. We have like 2 or 3 festivals every month. Apart from your other holidays or other vacations.
Don't study, don't work.
No, you don't need to work. You don't need to go to your workplace or your school or your universities. You can enjoy these festivals. In October, so we will be celebrating Diwali. It's the biggest festival in India. Actually, in Hindu mythology, we believe that Lord Rama returned to his home. So we call this festival Diwali. People use firecrackers, like some lighting, and people enjoy. India is a country of colors and festivals, you can say. So we have so many festivals. Indians, wherever they are in the world, they return back to India for few days to celebrate Diwali. If it is Diwali festival, no one will miss it.
Do you like
Поэтому он
our
в эти даты
city?
там.
And what do you like this?
About your city,
Yes.
Voronezh is a beautiful city. This is my 3rd visit to Voronezh. It's not 4th. This is my 3rd visit to Voronezh, and this is my 4th visit in Russia. So definitely, I will definitely come back and again. I have been to 11 countries, but Russia is my favorite country. So this is my 4th time here.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but just as I am a teacher, so I pay attention to your phrase. I have been to Russia 3 or 4. I have been. You see, perfect answer. So that's what I always say to my students, that speaking about grammar, that present perfect tense is always used. So this is the vivid example that it is really used. Am I right?
Thank you so much.
Okay, so for interrupting, but you see, I use the chance to show you the usage of the language.
Yeah.
The vivid language, you see.
Yeah.
Sorry. Wow.
Thank you. So
Don't mind to take a picture.
no, it's perfect. It's perfect
Okay.
way.
Mhm.
Thank you. Maybe I don't know Russia much. I know that Russia is a big country. Russia is a unique country, and it's a beautiful country. In India, actually, whenever we talk about Russia, people just see it as a very cold country. We have people in India. They think.
Like Russia, people in India.
Yes, but even I would like to join. India is not also cold, hot as we think. There are many regions in India, even in the towns and the mountain regions, where the weather is also cool and cold, even in the south.
Really?
Really,
I think that it is always hot.
Not even Delhi. Delhi is the same like Tashkent. The Delhi's climate is the same like Tashkent.
I also was in India. I do remember how it was. And I have prepared just some pictures to prove that I was there, and it was really hot, you see?
So, which
Just-
month? Which month?
It was in November, my dear.
November
because I'm
is
sure
about
because my
28th or
birthday in
30th.
November. So
20.
it is like this. So this is India.
Northern India.
And this is really my Indian friends.
Wow. So
And this one, this person. And he helped me, he cured me, you see. So this is the proof that I was there.
yes.
Okay. They will enjoy looking at Yelenvana when she was a bit younger than I am now.
I would like to travel in India, maybe Goa. This beautiful place, trees and flowers and sun and море какое-то sea and sea. And this is
There
my
are-
dreams.
There are lots of tourists from Russia in Goa. Even it used to be like a direct flight between St. Petersburg and Goa. Yeah, there was a direct flight. But after this war situation, all the flights are cancelled. But there was a special flight. Like we have some cities where there are so many Russian tourists, like Rishikesh in Uttarakhand. It's in North India actually. So this city is famous for the yoga. There are thousands of Russian devotees, those who like to practice yoga. So you will find there so many Russian people. And one is in my state also, that is called Kasol. There are so many Russian tourists also
Okay.
in Kasol. It's a beautiful, actually it's a mountainous state as I said. So there are so many Russian tourists. In Goa also, as you said, there are so many Russian people, those who want to go and enjoy the sun, you know, because Russia is too cold. So people usually go there. They like to just swim in the sea and just.
उनको बस ये जरा बताए कि हिमाचल में बर्फबारी कैसे होती है.
Oh yes. Can you imagine that India is as cold as like Russia? Can you imagine it? There are some parts in India. Can you imagine?
Usually no, I thought India is so very hot.
India is very hot.
हाँ.
Okay, let me tell you.
I'm afraid snake.
Afraid of snakes?
Рикки-тикки-тави.
So do you have snakes here?
Yes, but
Not
in
so.
the village.
In the villages only? Ah, okay. Okay.
You will be
Okay.
happy if you taste it.
हाँ, ये घर की चीज़ है.
Arina,
घर की बनी
thank
चीज़
you
है.
very much.
तो बस ज़रा बताइए कि वहाँ कितनी तक बर्फबारी हो सकती है, क्योंकि उनको यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि वहीं पर बर्फ हो सकती है. को विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है.
अच्छा.
अच्छा, सच.